back to my channel to just another haul from Carmelas Orchids. This is their special for Thanksgiving specials, which includes 9 plants, which was supposed to be mostly in spike. And here it is. This is what I got. I took the liberty of opening them up out of the box and putting them up so it'd be probably easy. And because it came during Thanksgiving time, I didn't really get time to tape it at that time, so I'm gonna do it one by one. Right here is this Oncidium variety. This is you see, these are nice healthy plants with 2 spikes. One is, oh, there are 3 spikes. Oh, sorry, 3 spikes. This is a long spike right here. Here's one in bloom with just these 2 flowers. And here's another one with 3 buds on them. And this particular one has got nice pseudobulbs. And I see another new growth coming out over here. I don't see any spikes on them, but it should put out spike pretty soon. And here, right here, there's another one. It's the Newtonidium Pacific Waters Pole Sporide. This one is got this beautiful reddish maroonish color in the middle with the yellows bordering it. This one has got I didn't even look to see how many spikes it has. Just gonna take it out. It's got 1 new growth. Couple of, this is the older pseudobulb. 1 new pseudobulb. I think it's just 1 spike, and the flowers are mostly open right now. And here's another one. This is the next plant. This is also another Oncidium variety. This one is the Oncidium Rosy Sunset. And this one's got a lot of spikes coming out. Here's one. I actually counted 6. 2, 2, 3. Here's the 4th one. And of course the 5th one is in flower, which is mostly spent right now. And here is the 6th one. It's just starting to flower. So this is the another Oncidium variety, and I'm not sure if I showed you the name for this particular one. Let me get the label off. It's a Wilsonera Few Ideal. So that's that one with the 2 spikes, 3 spikes, I'm sorry. And this particular one is this Oncidium, beautiful little ones with the cluster spikes on them. Then we have like 3 of the Cattleya varieties. This is the mostly orange one, which just got a maroonish tip to its lips, and it's got 1 in flower, and this one's ready to flower next, and I think it's 2 more, and I have a feeling this might flower too. So that's a beautiful orange, and I love orange flowers. And that particular one is the Petinera Hanchang Yo-Yo Little Goldfish, and that's that one. Here is another one, just got 2 flowers, like a copperish color to it with a dark maroon lip. Beautiful flower, little flowers. It's very pretty. This one's got a lot of old. This is the oldest of the bulb, so I don't see any newer ones with any new spikes. But I'm sure once it's finished flowering, it'll put out new ones. This is the SLC Blazing Baby. Trying to see if I can get a good flower. Sorry for all the shaky. The next Cattleya variety that I have is that they sent is this purple one, which got a nice dark yellow lip, and the tip is darker, like a purplish magenta color. And this is also very pretty little flowers. And this one is the Portnera Eye Candy Sweet Sensation. This one's also got a lot of nice healthy plants. It's a beautiful one. And the last three are those three dendrobiums in three different colors. Those are the three flowers. I'll put them together so you can see the difference. See, one is pinkish, one is here purple. So let me show them one by one. The pink one is the Dendrobium burana pink. It's got three stems, and this is the newest growth. This is the one that put out this spike. And of course, these are all from my favorite orchid place, Carmelas, which, like I said, they have those specials going, and if you order from these specials, they pick flowers that they like, and it's their whatever they pick, and they send it to you. So that's this particular one that I'm showing you. It's this with the lavender, with a like a purple, like a violet color, purple color, and cream flowers. It's got this bud is kind of broken. It's got two more to open, and that's that one. And the last one that I have is Dendrobium Madam Viper by Burana Green Star. It looks almost like the jade Burana, but this one's got the dark purple maroonish lip to it. This one's also got one bud left to bloom and just one spike out of these flowers. So as usual, Carmela sent me another new sort of flowers, plants, the Thanksgiving special. I think it's like around 130 or 140, I'm not sure. And this particular special included 9 plants, and what they sent me was like 3 from the Uncertain variety, 3 of the Cattleya varieties, and 3 from the Dendrobium varieties. I didn't get any fragrance from any of these, but doesn't matter. Flowers are pretty, beautiful flowers, and that's all that matters to me. So I like the flowers that have fragrance too, but doesn't matter. I like it. And always thanks Carmela for sending me such nice beautiful plants. And the prices are so ridiculous. I don't think I can get it from anywhere around here, which hardly sells any orchids. Like Wegmans is the only one that pretty much sells orchids. Other than the Phalaenopsis, Wegmans is the only one that sells other orchids, and they don't. They're like $20 a plant. So this one comes up to like not $20. It's like $130 for 9 plants. So do the math. It's a good deal. So if you ever want to get it from Carmelas, I would highly recommend it. So this is their Thanksgiving special 2019. Thanks everyone for watching. Thank you, Carmela, for the beautiful flowers. Take care. Bye.